Hello students, what is going on? My Abdullah Momin from KMS English Medium High School and Junior College, and this is your lecture number 2 from the chapter Gravitation, which is in class 11th Physics. So in today's lecture, we are going to study about acceleration due to gravity, and we are going to solve some numericals based on it. So what is acceleration due to gravity? So in our previous lecture, we have studied that when there is a two object, the first object has a mass m1, the second object has a mass m2, and if the distance between them is r, so the force of attraction exerted by first particle on second particle. Now the first particle attracts the second particle, and second particle also attracts the first particle with a force which is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two particles and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. And we will use the sign capital G, which is gravitational constant, where F is the force of attraction between these two particles, where F is the force of attraction between the two particles or object M1 and M2 be the masses of two particles, and R be the distance between them. So we also know that according to Newton's second law of motion, according to Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we can write as acceleration is equal to force upon mass. So if particle M2 is attracted by particle M1, then we can write, if we will consider that M1 is exerting a force F on particle of mass M2, then M2 experiences acceleration A as follow. So A can be written as F upon M1 or F upon M2. So what is F? So we are going to use equation number 1. So F can be written as G M1 M2 upon R square divided by M1. M1 M1 get cancelled, and we will say that G M2 upon R square. So this is the acceleration which is experienced by the second particle. Similarly, we can say that if Earth is exerting a force of attraction on certain particle of mass m. Suppose this is Earth whose mass is capital M. It is exerting a certain force on mass and the distance between them is r. So we can write the force of attraction can be written as gmm upon r square, and the acceleration experienced by the mass small m can be written as acceleration is equal to force upon small m. So we can write gmm upon small r square divided by small m. Small m get cancelled. We can write gm upon r. And if this will be your small r, and if small r is almost equal to capital R, means object is very close to earth surface, so we can write acceleration is gmm upon capital R. This acceleration can be denoted as g, which is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. So this is the formula of acceleration due to gravity exerted by the earth. Capital M is the mass of the earth and capital R is the radius of the earth. So now we have the formula of acceleration due to gravity exerted by the earth as capital G capital M upon R E square. So what is capital G? That is acceleration due to gravity, due to earth gravitational force. Capital ME is mass of the earth, and capital RE square is, or capital RE can be written as radius of the earth. So now we are going to solve a certain numerical based on this formula. So what is the numerical says? This numerical says calculate the mass of the earth from the given data. We are supposed to calculate the mass of the earth. The acceleration due to gravity is given, radius given, capital G is. So we know that the acceleration due to gravity has a formula of capital G MER square. So from this capital G upon Re square goes another side of the equal sign, and this mass of the earth, that is Me, becomes small g Re square upon g. So small g has the value of 9.8, so instead of small g we will put 9.81. Instead of Re we will put this equation and we are going to square it, and instead of capital G we are going to put 6, and after solving this equation the mass of the earth we will get 5.97 into 10 raised to 24 kg. So this is the mass of the earth. Now we are going to solve the another numerical. So the numerical says that calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. If the mass of the moon is 1 by 80 times that of the earth and diameter of the moon is 1 by 4 times that of the earth, and the value of g is given. So we will write that mass of the moon, that is mm, is equal to the 1 by 80 times mass of earth, where m, capital M, is the mass of earth. Similarly, radius of moon rm is 1 by 4 times radius of earth, where r is, now the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth is given by g by gm upon r square. Now acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon is gm divided by, so from equation 1 and equation 2 we can write, we are going to divide these two equations. So what we have second equation, gm is equal to capital gm upon rm square divided by g is equal to gm upon r square. So g and g will get cancelled. In denominator of the denominator, we have r square, so it becomes in numerator. So gm divided by g can be written as mm upon rm square into r square upon m. Now what is mm? mm can be written as m by 18. So we can write gm upon g is equal to, instead of we will write m upon 80. Instead of rm, we will write r by 4, and this r square and m will be as it is. Now this m, this will be square, and this m will be cancelled. This r square and r is 4 square means 16. The square, it will becomes in numerator, so we will get 16 by 80 gm upon g. So 16 ones is 16, 16 fives the 18. So we will get gm as 1 upon 5. So when g goes another side of the equal sign, so gm can be written as g upon 5, and the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity on the earth's surface, is 9.8. So 9.8 divided by 5, it is 1.96. This is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth. Now moving towards the next numerical. What is next numerical? Find the acceleration due to gravity on a planet that is 10 times as massive as the earth and with radius 20 times of the radius of earth. Now let the mass of the planet be mp, the radius of the earth and the planet be re and rp respectively. Now mass of the planet is mp and the radius of the earth is ra and the radius of the planet is rp. Let the mass of the earth be me and gp be the acceleration due to gravity. Now what is this numerical is saying? The planet has 10 times as massive as earth. That means that mass of the planet is 10 times mass of the earth, and the radius is 20 times. So radius of the planet is 20 times the radius of the earth. The acceleration due to gravity on earth is given. So we are going to find out acceleration due to gravity on the planet. Means we are supposed to calculate gp. So g can be written as gme upon r square. Gp can be written as gmp upon rp square. So dividing these two equations, after dividing these two equations, means gp, which is gmp upon rp square divided by g, means gme divided by r e square. G get cancelled, so we can write mp upon rp square into re square upon me. Now mp can be written as 10 times me. So instead of mp, we will write 10 times me, and instead of rp, we will write 20 times re whole square. So this me get cancelled, this re square get cancelled. So we will get 10 divided by 20 square means 400. So we will get 1 by 40, which is the ratio of gp upon g. So when g goes another side of the equal sign, so we will get gp as 1 by 40 g, and the value of g is 9.8. So 9.8 divided by 40, that will be the gp. So gp can be written as, which is acceleration due to gravity on the planet, is 0.24 meter per second square. Now thank you student, thank you very much. I hope you liked my video. I will catch you next time.